Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Phoenix long-stretched canvas for painting in the 10 by 20 inch size. If you're looking for a top-quality canvas for your next art project, this is the one to consider. The Phoenix canvas is a standout in the world of fine art supplies, offering a 6-pack of 10 by 20 inch canvases, perfect for artists of all levels. Made from 100% natural cotton, it provides a smooth, stable surface for a variety of painting mediums, including oil, acrylic, watercolor, gouache, and pastels. The texture is medium grain, which helps your paint adhere well, while maintaining the natural tones and glossiness of your artwork. One of the key features of these canvases is their triple primed surface. The 8-ounce gesso primer creates a solid foundation for your paints, ensuring vibrant colors that won't crack or crumble over time. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this canvas can handle it all, from impasto techniques to acrylic pouring. The cotton canvas stays firm and doesn't shrink, offering durability for long-lasting results. The stretcher bars are made of high-quality pine wood, ensuring the canvas stays tightly stretched and firmly secured. The construction is sturdy enough for various artistic techniques, and it's designed to resist sagging, which is a common issue with lesser quality canvases. Plus, the frames are easy to hang, making this a great choice for artists who want their work to be display-ready. This product is not only for professional painters but also perfect for art classes, sip and paint events, and family painting nights. It's lightweight, easy to store, and vacuum-packed for convenience. It can also be used for crafting, home decor, and themed visual libraries. So whether you're creating a masterpiece or just having fun with friends, these canvases are a reliable choice. The Phoenix 10 by 20 inch stretched canvas is also verified by both AP and CE standards, ensuring safety and quality. It's an excellent option for those who want to create beautiful, glossy paintings that stand the test of time. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile canvas for your next painting project, the Phoenix long-stretched canvas in the 10 by 20 size is the perfect choice. With its solid construction, triple primed surface, and exceptional performance, it stands out as the best canvas for your artistic endeavors. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.